We're excited to share that Drylet, in partnership with SmartBio Serbia, has successfully dosed 2 lagoons using our patented bioremediation technology, with professional application support provided by AgroDrone and their agricultural drone. The goal was to reduce sludge volume without draining, shutting down, or performing risky and costly mechanical dredging. We help facilities avoid traditional lagoon dredging while minimizing operational disruption by restoring lost storage capacity and significantly cutting cost and time. The first lagoon is located at a dairy farm with a capacity of 4 million gallons. The second lagoon, with a capacity of 2.2 million gallons, is part of a biogas plant. Both treatments were carried out smoothly and professionally, proving once again that smart biology can outperform heavy machinery with a much lighter footprint. You can learn more by visiting our website at drylet.com.